If you want to have mini cutscene like this in Amnesia custom story, then watch this tutorial till the end. This is not anything crazy special, but just to know some basics about this, I'm going to be deleting all of this right now. We're gonna start from scratch, so you're gonna understand it, but all the scripts are in the description of this video, so you can just copy it. We're gonna use two main things, but you can add sound effects, you can add, whatever, like very simple things or more advanced, but we're gonna be looking at two things, and that's SetMessage on a display and StartPlayerLookAt. So there is always some more advanced things like, make a camera move around and tilt and like make kind of like this cutscene itself, but this is gonna be more like a mini cutscene in the game from a first person. So let's get into it. The first thing that we need is obviously what is gonna trigger the cutscene, right? So on the map, what you wanna basically do is you wanna make a player start area and then some script area that is gonna trigger it. It doesn't need to be script area, but it's like the most useful. When you go into this area, it's gonna happen. So I call it script area 1. You're gonna do void on start. And we're gonna add AddEntityCollideCallback. I'm just going to check it just in case, so we're not gonna need to reset it. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy it. This is a pretty difficult one to remember. AddEntityCollideCallback. Okay. So if the player goes into script area 1, it's gonna make a function. Let's call it mini cutscene. This true, by the way, this boolean is basically if you go one time, it's gonna delete itself. If you have false, then you can go all the time and it's gonna repeat the same cutscene. Just so you know. So now we're gonna do a function here, which is the mini cutscene. And we're gonna use this thing. I'm just gonna copy it again, it's very difficult to remember. And now, so when we reach the script area, now things gonna happen. So first we're gonna look at some certain points. So I wanna look at the first door here. So I made another script area here on this door. Then I made another script area and then the third one. So basically you're looking at the script area. You can also look at the door entity here if you want to. But the script area is more specific, so that's why it's better. So the function for it is, the script for it is StartPlayerLookAt, like this. We're gonna name it. Actually, yeah, we're gonna name it what we want to looking at, which is the script area 2. Then we have a speed. So let's say like 3.5 f. F is like fade. And then when the maximum speed is reached. So let's do like 2.0. 2.0 seconds. And then we're gonna make another quotes, just leave them as they are like this. Then we want to do timer. So AddTimer. Gonna leave those quotes open. You can name it, but you don't need to. You're gonna add timer where it's gonna be. So basically 3.5 seconds. So I guess like we can do, I don't know, 3 seconds. We're gonna aim this timer. Let's name it look1. Now we're gonna do a function look1, string as in asTimer, and now we're gonna look at another place. So we can copy this. We can just change the script area from 2 to 3. We wanna look at this. Now let's make something like very fast, like 6.5. And the seconds will be like 1, so it's going to be very fast. This is a maximum. This is like when the maximum speed will be reached, and this is the speed. So it's going to be very fast. We're going to add another timer for another look. Let's do here like 1.5. You need to experiment with this ultimately, but yeah. So I'm just going to copy this. And we're gonna look at the last one, which is script area 4. Let's change it a bit, so it's gonna be slower. So we gonna look at this door, and now we're gonna see the message. So for the message, actually before actually, we're gonna see, yeah, okay. So SetMessage. Actually, yeah, I'm going to add another timer. I forgot one thing. We're gonna put like 3 seconds, let's say, and we're gonna put it like, I'm gonna name it stop look. Just one thing, which is important, and that's stop look timer, and we're gonna obviously stop look, otherwise you're gonna be forced to look at it for eternity. So stop player look at is the same, just changing a bit names, and you can just do this and that's it, meaning that the player will basically just move freely with the camera. And now we're gonna add SetMessage. So SetMessage, and I'm gonna leave it open now. So one quotes, and then a time. Put something here already. So this is a SetMessage. Now, what you need to do is you need to go into your custom story and go into your extra English lang. Here you have like descriptions of items and stuff. If you don't have, then just create one here for, where is it? You can also copy it from some other custom story, just like this thing. Do not copy the whole copy, but just like, you know, those kind of signs and stuff, so you're gonna have it correct. Display messages here. I have it OnScreenMess, on-screen messages. So this is the category name, and then you put those things. I also divide it with maps, as you can see, but ultimately it's just, I'm going to make it clean here so you're gonna understand. It's just a category name. You can name it whatever, and then you put entry name something. So you can say like gallery, I don't know, and then like yeah, whatever text here, something like that. And then you need to end it with category end, like this. And as you can see, this line, it means that it's connected. So the start is connected with the end, and in middle you have set messages like this. So that's the category, okay? I already have here, so let's just copy one. So first of all, we need category name here. When we have SetMessage, the first one, the quotes, is the category. So I have OnScreenMess. And the second one is what is going to be there. So I already have some, so let's use the find the crypt. Alchemy flow message. I'm gonna put it here. And this is time in seconds which it will display. So you can display for 5 seconds, I will display for 3 seconds. Again, the F is just the fade, so it's gonna fade. It is always good to put the F there. And that's it. We're finished. You can add sound effects, you can add all of those things, but ultimately this is the mini cutscene, you can say. It's very good to kind of use those in the custom story. Makes it really clarify everything kind of. It seems like something is wrong. Let's check what. Oh yeah, I see. So what's wrong here is here StopPlayerLookAt. I forgot to do this. Now it should work. Yeah, now it's working. So let's check it. So look at first door. And now the third. I don't know, the second was a bit late for some reason. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's very fast for the second door. So you just need to kind of, you know, get to know what to use. And again, when I cross it, it's no longer triggering. If I put false, I'm gonna show you. If I put false here, right? AddEntityCollideCallback, if I put false, then it's gonna be triggered all the time. So yeah, that's it. Soon I'll be releasing a trailer and devlog for my custom story, The Only Way is Through, which is already complete demo. It's just getting authorized on ModBB page, and when it's going to get authorized, I'm going to release it, and I'm looking for feedback. So if you would want to play the demo that I made, then I'll be very happy for feedback. So yeah, soon, stay tuned. Soon I'm gonna release the trailer.